Remember, the lifetime of the world has passed over me. My nearest memory is the memory of centuries, the trace of roots reaching the firmness of the soil. Remember the moment when it was decreed that the flight of an arrow from the bowstring would mark the farthest bound of this land. These hands have draped the earth in a robe. The wind has whispered secrets into ears and has lit the hearts and given form to thought. What essence lies hidden in this soil? Or what magic is at work? So measured and enduring, so richly patterned and soul awakening. Look at the poems and the colors. Where have you seen structures speak in verse? Like a traveler who has arrived from a long journey, brushing the dust of the road from his shoulders. Where have you seen stone become a tale, and the river dance, and water turn into light? And now its inner whisper sprouts in the heart of the seed. The earth's richly patterned carpet seems woven by the hands of a woman who has tied knot upon knot toward an imagined paradise. Watch the sprouting, the growing, the rising to stature. Look, beauty is the plain, life is the wind, the story of seed and soil. Come closer and listen with us. Listen to the murmur of mankind, the secret-laden chronicles of men and women to the ears of your children. From shore to shore, all multicolored, gathered together in the embrace of a single body. Life is love. It is freedom. It is the human flight. Listen, from the golden-hued rooftop to the resonance of this voice. Look at the resurrection of the soil, at an elixir constantly being born, unstoppable and forever in motion.
Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. All engines running. We have a liftoff. Liftoff on Apollo 11.
The sun, this faithful witness of the earth, will testify who were the people that straightened their backs by resting their hands upon their own knees. The singular, continuous civilization of history. This phoenix risen from its own ashes. Iran. And again them, each a narrator of a new tale. One recites epic in the competition fields with the fingertips of faith. Another teaches steadfastness at the height of pride, humility, and splendor. And when the hour of the clash arrives, the earth becomes like the field of final judgment, due to the roar of the lions of this land.
Stay